Lobo. We're the 50 somethings, and we're trying to figure out what we want to do in our retirement. We did realize that we have spent our entire 25 years of marriage together, and we really haven't documented our life. So we decided we're going to do this in the form of videos. Just because we're getting older, not old, doesn't mean we can't enjoy life. We just have to do it at a slower pace. And I think honestly we do it more to the extent we enjoy life. We've slowed down and we pay attention. Mom?
It was a hard lesson to learn, but you do have to slow down, pay attention, and
Now I will point out I
enjoy
call
what's
my
going
wife
on.
Mom.
Yeah.
That slipped out. So we have
Southern
a
boy.
do what?
Southern boy.
Southern boy, yes. I was raised in the South, and my wife was raised in the Midwest. Somehow we hooked up together when I was in the military, and in some of the videos you're going to see, you'll see our early on life. They used to call us the Ken and Barbies. It may not
Wouldn't know
look
it
like it
now.
now, but back in the day, right?
Back in the day.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to just kind of show our life, not day to day, not even week to week, but every once in a while we're going to put a video together showing what we've done, where we've been,
Where we're headed,
where we're headed.
where we think we're headed.
And it changes. It changes weekly, yearly, monthly. We are in the process of looking for a boat to do the Great Loop on,
Yep.
which we will give credit to, and I'm going to throw this out there. We're going to give credit to Seashells.
Yeah.
The Seashells, that would be Cindy and Shell. We got hooked.
And what yacht to do.
And what yacht to do. We've always been around the water. We've always loved being on the water, but now we want to see not only our own country, but our neighbors to the north, which is Canada. So we're going to do the Great Loop. We just now got to figure out the boat to do it in. So we spend a lot of time just going to boat shows, looking at different boats. Sounds like we're changing here and there, and we are.
I don't think we're looking for the traditional liveaboard because
I'm vain.
living
I
in Florida, we play too.
We do play. We fish a lot. Right now we have a center console. It's a Key West offshore 22, and we go out and we fish a lot. And you're going to see some of those videos also. But we need something that we can fish on and we can live on. But I have to have outboards. I like to do my own maintenance. I work, won't say the company, but I do work in aviation. So I tend to like to work with my hands, but I also like to work with my mind. And so I got to have outboards.
Yes, and we're cheap, so we want to do a lot of the maintenance on our boat.
It's not that we're cheap. To afford the lifestyle that we want, you have to work when you can. We do it on our house. You see behind us, we have a pool, obviously. We redo our own homes, and we do a lot of the work ourselves. That's the only way you can afford things these days, right? We're not exactly rich or wealthy. So this is just something we're putting together to start every video.
Work hard so that we can play hard.
Work hard so that we can play hard. So again, I'm Bo. This is Lo. And I guess we're going to call this the 50 something for right now, right?
I think so, because we're 50 something.
We're 50 something, but we're
Trying
not
to
old.
figure it out.
But
Yeah.
we're older. But we're not young. But we're not too
Practicing
old.
for retirement.
Practicing for retirement.
We're practicing.
Yeah. So, you know what? Look us up. If you like the videos, follow them. It's not going to be those, 20-somethings or even 30-somethings. But it will be real. Just like this is real, as I'll put it.
Yep.
Anything else, honey?
Nope. That's got it.
And I don't know if you've seen the little young lady walking around, but we have 2 dogs, and you'll see those girls in the videos. I call them our girls. They are our children, I guess. So we have to figure out that for the boat too, because they're getting older, as we are.
Yep. But obviously that's a non-negotiable. Where we go, they go.
Exactly. So this is the end. Hope you're going to enjoy the videos that are coming. If not, you can laugh at us. That's cool too.
Yeah, we do.
Well, you have to. She's my best friend, and she's full of it, if you know what I mean.
I work for a living. I pay him off to say that, so.
Yeah, and I talk for a living, so it's not that hard. This will probably get edited out.